So Google finally revealed how much money you can make approximately using Google AdSense. If you're a blogger, you have a website or you have a YouTube channel, then I'm going to show you approximately how much money you can expect. So this is a Google AdSense website. You can see 2 million people have chosen AdSense. And why? Because it is really easy to earn money using Google AdSense, because you can earn money from a website or from content. And when you use Google AdSense, the ads are optimized for mobile. So when you place an ad from Google AdSense, they will be automatically resized depending on the size of screen the viewers are watching. And you can also save your time, because you can add just piece of code on your site and Google will start automatically showing the ads to the relevant customers. And benefit about the Google AdSense is only the highest paying ads go live. For example, there are different advertisers who want to place ad on your content, who is paying the highest price will show ad on your content, so that you can make most money out of your content. Not just this, Google serves the right ads for your audience. For example, when Google places an ad on your website, these ads are screened to ensure they're high quality and relevant to your content or audience. You do not need to worry about if the ads are related to your content or not. It is Google's responsibility. So if you have a travel website, so the ads will be shown on your website will be travel related. And if you have any different kind of website, the ads will be relevant to your website, your blog or YouTube channel. And at any time you're in control, you can block the ads you don't like and choose which type fit your site. For example, if you don't want to display ad everywhere on your website, just want to display after the post, or you want to display in the footer, or if you want to display on sidebar, you can choose everything if you use Google AdSense. Okay, now I've told you enough that what is the benefit. Let's see how much money approximately you can make from Google AdSense. So this is a tool created by Google. You can see it says, see how much money you could earn using AdSense. And it also depends on the site and region your website visitors are. For example, if your website visitors are from Europe or from Asia or from America, you will have different kind of earning on your website. For example, if you choose a region and you say Asia and Pacific countries, which will China, India, Indonesia, Sri Lanka, Pakistan, Bangladesh, Indonesia, all these countries. So if your visitors are from these countries, then you can select what kind of category of content you are making. For example, if I choose from here arts and entertainment and then I click on calculate, you can see you have 50,000 views on your blog, you can make somewhere around $3,480. And this is really interesting, because if we keep the same category, but if we try different content strategy, for example, instead of Asia and Pacific regions, I say Europe, Middle East and Africa, and then I click on calculate in the same category, which is arts and entertainment, and I click on calculate. Now the AdSense revenue is even low. It is 2,172, and this is a very lump sum price for the 50,000 views on your content. If I click on try different strategy, instead I choose North America and then I click on calculate, you can see the price is different. And if we choose the South America from here and then click on calculate, you can see it is the lowest price. So it depends on the region from where viewers are, and also depends on the category on which you are creating the content. Now let's see some profitable niches and the regions where you can make most money out of Google AdSense. So from this drop down, if you choose finance here and you selected Asia and Pacific countries and click on calculate, you can see you can make somewhere around $15,000 if you have 50,000 views. Now it depends in how much time you get these views. You can get 50,000 views in 1 month or in 1 day. So if your content is of good quality and Google is showing permanently ads on your content and you have 50,000 views, you can expect somewhere $15,000. When you're making content on finance and visitors are from Asia and Pacific countries. If I change this and I say I want to see Europe, Middle East and Africa on the finance niche and then I click calculate, you can see the revenue goes down. Now it is 11,682. And if you try from here North America and click on calculate, you can see it's even much better. Now you can see $19,278 for every 50,000 views. And if you try South America, I click on calculate, you can see it's 12,000. Okay, let's try different categories. So instead of finance, if we say health category and then click calculate, you can see it is really low in South America. But if I choose North America from here and click on calculate, you can see it is 10,000. And it is really interesting to see not all the countries are same prices for the niches. It changes differently from country to country and niche to niche. Because in some countries people are more interested in one kind of niche, in some other countries people are not interested in that kind of niche at all. For example, you can see on health in North America you can make 10,000, and if I choose Europe, Middle East and Africa, you can see there is a huge difference here, which is $3,000 per 50,000 views. Let's try some different category. If we talk about job and education, I know a lot of people who are watching this video are from Asia and they create a lot of blog website around jobs and education. So if you check on Asia and Pacific countries and you click on calculate, when the category here is job and education, you can see you can make around $4,000 per 50,000 views in Asia Pacific. So that's not really bad earning. I'm sure if you just put some effort and create a good quality content around job and education, you can make this money for every 50,000 views. And now it depends up to you how good content you're making, how much content you're making, and how early you reach to 50,000 views. It is not really hard. I know people who are having hundreds of thousands of views every single month on your website and making so much money using Google AdSense. If I choose job and education and calculate, then you can see North America, it's around 7,422. And this is just an estimate can use as a reference. Maybe you can make more money than this and maybe you can make less money than this depending on the quality of your content. So if you also want to know that in which kind of niche you want to create a content and how much money you can make, I'll add the link to this page in the description of the video. And guys, if you want to create a beautiful blog using blog.com, check out this video on screen. And if you want to know how to create a WordPress blog, check out this other video on screen. And like always, if you want to support the small creator on YouTube like me, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share this video with somebody who want to earn money using Google AdSense.